Scientist reveals the invisible organ behind your dog's happiness.
You know, I like to say that good health starts in the gut. You've got to have the gut right. But what happens in the gut does not necessarily stay in the gut, okay? So what's going on is there are certain neurotransmitters. I know that's a big word, but there are things that are produced in the gut that actually ultimately make their way to the brain. It's what we call the gut-brain axis. And so I think when any dog owner is interested in maintaining the best they can do for their dog, they really need to start with the gut.
Follow us for more science-led dog owner advice.